Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy nursery name sign. You don't need a Cricut, a silhouette, you don't need to know how to cut wood, you just need a few materials. So let's get into it. So I got this blank wooden sign from Hobby Lobby and it cost me a little under $10. And then I got the wooden letters for Michael's. They were $1.99 each, but I had a coupon, so I didn't pay full price. Also for this project, I'm using Craft Smart acrylic paint from Michael's in the color Sailing Sky to paint the letters, and I'll be using Apple Barrel white acrylic paint from Walmart to paint the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the letters so I can get that out of the way. So I'm going to go on with my first coat, give it a second to dry, and then I'm going to go back over it with the top coat. So I thought my garage was a little too dark to be painting in. I felt like you couldn't really see what was going on or what I was doing. I couldn't see what was going on or what I was doing, so I moved to my dining room table to some better lighting. So I hope you guys can see it a little bit better. And what I'm doing now, I'm just going over with my second coat. So what I'm doing now that my second coat has officially dried, I'm going to go and paint the edges of the wooden letters so I can get in all those nooks and crannies. So the parts that you do see on the wooden sign are completely covered with paint, and they're all uniform, they're all one color. Okay, I have set my letters somewhere else to dry. I've completely finished painting them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the blank wooden sign all white. I was going to leave the borders untouched and just leave it with the wood, but the way that the nursery is set up, I wanted to make it all white so it just flows with everything. Alright, for this next step, I'm going to use my Fix All Super Glue from Dollar Tree. It's only $1, but it works wonders. And I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. So now I'm going to take the wooden letters and I'm going to place them exactly how I want them onto the frame. And then I'm just going to glue them down, and I'm not going to move them once I place them on there, so I know exactly where I want each letter to be. And as you can see, I'm going in with my Fix All glue first, and I'm taking my hot glue gun and going right behind it, only because the Fix All glue takes a few hours to actually set in, and the hot glue is just to hold it for right now. But the two together, when you put them on the wooden letters, they will not move, I promise you. And this is the finished product. It is so cute. It is so simple. It's so easy. I hope you guys really love this tutorial. I hope it was easy for you to follow. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you love this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.